It is now 12:24 and after visiting Kadalundi Bird Sanctuary, I'm coming out of this area to go to Chaliyam Beach. It's about 4 kilometers. It says 12 minutes. (12:26) I am back on the main road. The road that goes straight is
Chaliyam Road for 2 kilometers.
This goes towards Chaliyam Beach. This is the village of Chaliyam. I have
In 200 meters, turn left.
about 2 more kilometers, 1.5 kilometers actually, to go to Chaliyam Beach.
Turn left. Meters, turn right.
This is the road to the parking in Chaliyam Beach. The car parking is a little away from the beach, about 1 kilometer probably. I can see the beach ahead, but I need to find a place to park the car.
In 600 meters, turn right.
Coconut trees and beach on one side and houses on the other side. I saw some nice place to take a photo of the beach. I think this is a place where they start doing fishing. So this is part of Chaliyam Beach. Finally, I parked somewhere in this area. I asked some people, they are walking there. I can simply park here and go to the beach. They were concerned that it's very hot. It's actually very hot, 33 degrees Celsius, pretty humid, and this whole area is smelling of fish. I know it needs a bit of walk to go to Chaliyam Beach, so let me get started.